Looking for delicious keto recipes with a unique African twist? Whether you're new to keto or just looking to expand your low-carb recipe options, these 10 African-inspired dishes are perfect to keep you in ketosis while enjoying mouth-watering flavors. Keto Suya Beef Skewers. Suya is a popular street food in West Africa, particularly Nigeria. These skewers of marinated beef, spiced with a blend of ground peanuts, chili, and ginger, are grilled to perfection. To make it keto, we skip the peanuts and add more herbs for flavor. Serve with a fresh green salad. Ugandan mataka with avocado. Although mataka, a banana dish, is typically high in carbohydrates, it may be modified keto-friendly by substituting cauliflower or zucchini. For healthy fats, serve with avocado. For a deeper flavor, sauté the veggies in coconut oil. Ethiopian Doro Wat. Traditional Ethiopian bread called injera is typically served with this hearty chicken stew. Instead of bread, serve the stew with cauliflower rice for a ketogenic variation. Doro Wat's berbere spice blend, which is free of carbohydrates, gives it a genuine and tasty touch. For a more complex flavor, add extra bone broth. Moroccan chicken tagine. A clay pot is used to slowly cook tagine, a North African stew. A version that is keto-friendly is made with chicken, green olives, and olive oil that has been spiced with turmeric and cumin. Serve with zucchini noodles or cooked spinach on the side. Keto grilled peri-peri chicken. In southern Africa, peri-peri chicken is a favorite. This spicy dish turns into a fantastic keto supper when the chicken is grilled and served with a low-carb vegetable side dish. For optimal flavor, marinate the chicken overnight. African groundnut soup. In West Africa, groundnut peanut soup is a common cuisine. We use almond or sunflower seed butter in place of peanuts to make it keto-friendly while keeping the soup's delicious and creamy flavor. Serve with cauliflower rice or zucchini noodles and garnish with fresh cilantro. Egyptian kofta. Ground meat that has been seasoned with herbs and spices is used to make kofta. When grilled and served with a cucumber and mint yogurt sauce, these meatballs are ideal for a ketogenic diet. Serve with a simple salad or grilled veggies on the side. Keto bobatie. In South Africa, bobatie is often a pie made with minced meat and topped with custard. To create a rich, tasty keto meal, omit the breadcrumbs and use eggs, ground beef, and curry spices instead. For extra crunch, sprinkle sliced almonds on top. Moroccan harira soup. Harira is a Moroccan soup consisting of chickpeas, lentils, and tomatoes. Replace the lentils and chickpeas with other veggies, such as spinach and zucchini, to make it keto. The soup is still filling and tasty, making it ideal for any meal. Serve with a side of low-carb bread as an appetizer or a main dish. Keto-friendly grilled fish with chermoula sauce. Perfect for grilling fish, chermoula is a North African marinade composed with herbs, garlic, and lemon. For a full keto dinner, serve with sautéed veggies on the side. For grilling, choose a firm fish such as mackerel or salmon. In addition to reducing your carbohydrate intake, these keto-friendly African recipes offer deep, mouth-watering flavors that keep you looking forward to your meals. Let us know which one you like most after giving them a try.